In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Upwork app notifications. If you are getting distracted by notifications from this app, then follow these simple steps to disable them. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to disable notifications from this app, you need to go ahead and access Upwork app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info. However, if this option is missing on your phone, then you should be able to see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on it from this pop-up and this will take you to the app info page. Now here, if you go to permissions section, you should be able to see notifications under it. You can see currently all these notifications are turned on. This is the reason why you have been receiving all those notifications, and among them are vibration, play sound, even lock screen notifications, among others. To disable them, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and all the other types of notifications will be disabled unless you go ahead and enable them again. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any notifications from Upwork app. So that's how you can do this, by following these steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.